Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen and let me give you a tour which is starting from here. Basically this is the particular area we keep all the storage, everything around here, all the cups and designated area is this particular one. Here is all the cutleries, we try to make it as organized as possible. Very spacious yet very organized in a way. We have all the pallets here. Coming here we have all the appliances section where we have our air fryer, coffee machine, everything placed in a particular order, which makes it much more easier for us to access. Then we have a complete pantry station here for things that we require on a daily basis. This helps us to actually, coordinate between the hob, the center island, and this particular area. Then we have our best oven and OTG area here with a designated spacious area for storage again. And we have a refrigerator here where it's very accessible to our hob altogether. We have a central island. This was my dream to have a central island and a breakfast counter, which was actually achieved by Space Race. So thank you for them. We have a very organized station for everything that we require here. So basically, all the cutlery, everything that we require to prepare things, it's all present over here. So it makes it much more easier. Also, breakfast counter. यहाँ पे होने से we have the best feeling ever because it's very accessible. So whatsoever we are making, whereas we communicate better. So it's a very good and designated area. Coming towards here, we have a designated area for the cleaning purpose. We have our display cutleries and glasswares. Here is the area for pantry, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा important है in a house. Reason being, whatever is not required in the kitchen for a time being, because we have an open kitchen, we have an open outlet, we can actually keep the storage over here and lock it down. So sorry, it's still very organized, so we are locking it down. Next we have here, we have a cylinder counters. So everything that is required in connection to the technicalities are placed over there. So we have a designated area for that. Every time when we see in a kitchen, we believe the area बहुत कम लगता है and kitchen becomes a space where it's very difficult. So you can see we have our mother-in-law sitting here and they're completely okay with having a kitchen space and sitting here and communicating. So we have a cup of tea here, we enjoy sitting here and have a great time. Thank you so much for the space.